Hello students. So in previous class we had looked into some of the tags, right? So today we can look into the div and span tag and even the merq tag, okay? So two important formatting elements are the div and the span elements. These elements will become very useful when working with the style sheets. Using div and span tag, one can specify a range of text and the style we want it. Div is used to select a block of text. So div is mainly used to select some of the block of a text. Okay. Next, span is used to select some text inline. So attributes we can use like align, class, clear, direct, ID, language, style, and a title. So these are the some of the attributes. So I think you all know this explanation you had written in your notes. So that only you can write here. Okay. So we can consider one small example for a div tag. Okay. So begin with HTML. Always write your structure properly. Okay. HTML head, title, example for div tag, body tag. So here I have used, after a body tag I have used the div. So div align equals left. So align here is a attribute. So I have mentioned that my text should be present in the left side of the web page. So I had given align equals left. Then I have written third BCA. So here if you want you can write third year becomes second year becomes CAO, right? Okay. After that I have used the BR. BR is used for the break, so that once the second year becomes CA is present, next line it should be a Department of Computer Science. Then I have again used the BR tag. Then I have given FMKMCC. Then again break. Then KURK. Then close to the div tag. So we can see how this output will be. So see that third BCA Department of Computer Science FMKMC KURG are the certain block which is present in the left side, right? So this is how we are using the div tag. Okay. Next I have used the paragraph that is dear students. Then again I have used the div tag. So here I have used some number of attributes for that. That is align equals center, style equals color colon red, font size, font style is italic. So here what the text should be, this is an example for a div tag I had simply written. So here in between you can write anything, so that see that beginning and ending tag should be closed properly. Okay. So this is an example for div tag. So that I have you can see that attribute I have mentioned, that is align equals center. So the particular text should be between the center of the web page. You can see that this is an example for a div tag, right? So you can see that is in a red color. Why? We had given the attribute that is style equals color colon red, and you can see that the particular text here it is in italic, right? So you can see font style colon italic, right? So this is how we can use the div tag, so which is present in the center of a web page. Next again I have the used the div tag, that is div align equals right, where this text I want to display in the right side of the web page. Okay. So I had given div align equals right. Okay. Next I have used the paragraph tag. So if you want use any of the tag, okay, no need to use the same tag, same text and all, but when they ask you about the div, there should be the div tag in your program. Okay. So P name, then I have used BR tag, then used the Department of Computer Science break, FMKMC break, then I have used the KUR. So we can see whether this text had appeared in our right side, that is div align equals right. Yes, you can see name, Department of Computer Science, FMKMC and KUR has appeared in the right side. Okay. So you should close your div tag, that you should look properly, then end the body tag and end the HTML tag. So this is how you should write the program, and you should save the file as filename.html. You will be writing this program in the notepad, and the output is run in Internet Explorer or a Google Chrome also you can run, Firefox also you can run. Okay. So this is our output for the program. Okay. This is an example for a div tag. Next, I have written one small program for a span tag, that is HTML head title example for a span tag. Body tag I have used. So this is span style equals font style italic, okay, tag to mark sections close to the span tag. So you can see that this is output. In output you can see here this is didn't represented in any format, that it doesn't use in any italic form. So here you can see the other text, that is tag to mark section, right? So this we had written in our span tag, right? Tag to mark section, then close to the span tag. So you can see it represented in the italic form, font style colon italic, right? Then after ending the span tag, we have used off text in the midst of the other text. So that text is present in the same line, right? So this is how you will write, give the example for span tag, okay, and the body tag and the HTML tag. I hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask about this span and div tag, okay. So we have the attributes pre tag. Pre tag is used to display the content in right side. So it is one of the important tag. When we are using the pre tag, the particular text will be appear in the right side. HR, it creates the horizontal rules. So it is one of the important tag also, where draws a horizontal line to separate a group elements vertically. Not necessary to use an end HR tag. So here it is a singular tag. HR tag is a horizontal tag and it is a singular tag. We have the attributes. So both tag also have these attributes like align, class, color, ID and no shade. So these are the attributes of pre and HR tag. Next we can look into the Merque tag, where it displays the text in a scrolling Merque. Okay, displays the scrolling text in a Merque style. Start tag and end tag also it have, where Merque tag actually means the text is moving from the right to left. If we given the attributes, then it will move from left to right also. Okay, so it's the moving text in your web page. So alignment sets the alignment of the text relative to the Merque, set to top, middle or bottom. Behavior sets how the text in the Merque should move, can be scroll, slide or alternate. BG color sets the background color of the Merque box, set to the color value or a predefined color. Directory gives the direction of the directionally neutral text, possible values. LTR, left to right text or table, and RTL, right to left text or a table. Direction sets the direction the text should scroll, can be left, right, down, up. So Merque means scrolling the text from right to left or left to right, okay. You have other attributes also like height, language, loop, scroll amount, scroll delay, style, title, width. So these are all attributes of the Merque tag. Height, where it specifies the height of the Merque, the default in the height of the Merque text also. Basic language used for the tag. Language, scripting language like JavaScript. Loop sets how many times you want the Merque to cycle, means how many times it want to move from right to left, left to right. So it is a, we can represent the attribute loop. Scroll amount sets the horizontal space between each successive display of the text, set to the pixel values. We can represent that in a values also. Scroll delay sets the number of milliseconds between the each successive display of the text. Style, inline style indicating how to render the element. Title, it holds the additional information which might be displayed in tooltips for a element. Width sets the width of the Merque. So here I have written one more program as an example for a Merque tag, okay. HTML head title I had given as Merque example, then close the header tag, begin the body tag. So when you write this program in your notepad, see that spaces and all given, okay. Merque align equals, so here I have used some attributes, that is align equals top, loop equals infinite means number of times, behavior equals bounce means when it is scrolling it should bounce the particular times, okay. it should jump, the test should be jumping. Then background color is blue, direction as right. So I have entered the test, that is FM KMC College, between the H2 tag. H2 tag is nothing but a heading tag, okay. Then close to the Mercu tag. So here we have to see that our FM KMC College in a web page, that should be in top. It should moving many number of times, and it should bounce, means it should jump and come from right to left or left to right, like that. Background color should be blue and direction is from right to left. So we can see the output. So you can see that here I didn't make any video that how it scrolls and all. I just put that screenshot, okay. So you can see that background color of blue, then FM KMC college is in top, then it is bouncing, okay, that you can see when you're working in your example programs, okay. So this is how you can represent the output of the first Mercu example. Next I have used center using Mercu tag center. Just I have written the test. So like this it will be presenting. I just written the test. It's not moving. It just I had placed in the center of the web page. Okay. Next again I have used the Mercu tag. Align equals left, loop as infinite, behavior equals scroll, background color as red, direction equals down, height is 40, width is 500. So I have set these all attributes for the Mercu tag. Okay. So you can see the output, that is third BC I have written. You can write the second year BCom CA. So you can see it's moving from left to right and background color is red. Okay. Next example we have Mercu. Align equals left, loop infinite, behavior equals slide, background color as green, direction equals right. Then I have used the tag H4 and I have written web development class is handling by me. Then close the H4 tag, closed the Mercu tag. So we can see that the background color green and all present. Yes, so it's moving. Okay. So this is the output of this program, Mercu example. Okay. So this example you can try in your lab. So write down this program and output in your notes. Okay. I think everyone are clear what is Mercu tag. Mercu tag is simply means the scrolling of text from the right to left or left to right, and study the attributes also. Okay. What all attributes we can use in this Mercu tag. Okay. Thank you.